So today we're in Blackpool by the sea, and we're visiting a very important partner for us. In fact, the first guys to install one of our units in their showroom. So Sam Hamer runs, with his dad, Stove Industry Supplies, and they run a
stove shop. We do everything from the fitting, chimney sweeping, supply and installation of stoves, the supply of replacement parts to the trade.
Yeah, and you run training centre?
Yeah, we've got a heat ash approved training centre as well, so we do all the heat ash training as well.
And you cover Blackpool?
We cover the northwest with the fitting and the sweeping side, and then nationwide with the supply of replacement parts.
How far do you go out installing?
Installing pretty much the northwest really we'll cover, so we'll go up to Manchester, roughly. It's about 30 to 40 mile radius.
Right.
That's what we'll cover, yeah.
So you put one of these in first to a customer, didn't you?
Yeah, so I'd seen the product. I was sceptical, to be honest. I had a customer that was wanting to heat up a big space but not put in a big stove. So I thought, well, I've seen the Rico heat. I'd rang up Will, asked them questions. I thought, so I'll try it out and I'll put one in my showroom. So I've had this in now for approximately a year now. I'm very happy with the performance of it. It heats up quite a bigger space than what a normal 5 kilowatt will do, just by capturing the heat straight from the flue gases. One thing that we've talked about as well is it's been going through the testing process with Bisra as we've over this past year, which is one of the important things for selling the product as well, and more confidence for the industry to sell the product as well.
So you put it in here,
yeah,
and it makes a difference just to the volume of the
yeah,
area that it heats.
Yeah, so we're heating up a bigger space. So in this area that I've got here, I've got 4 stoves that I can light. Normally I'd say with it being an open space, I'd probably have 2 of them on, but just in this area I can just have the 1 stove on and it'll heat this area quite easily.
And after running it for a year, do you find any difference in the performance of the flue? Any difference in how often you've got to clean it?
There's no difference in the flue. I mean, we obviously regularly sweep our flues every 6 months with the amount that we use them. It's not made a difference on the amount of soot that's coming down. I'm not noticing it cooling down the flue gases or anything like that, which is a big thing, especially with the new eco design stoves, as the flue gases are a lot lower in temperature. And again, that's on the test report from Bisra that it doesn't affect the flue gases temperature.
And so this is one of your stoves?
Yeah, it's a stove that we manufacture, yeah.
And what's the efficiency on it?
It's 80% efficient.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's a really good, well-performing.
Yeah, well-performed stove, meets all the eco-design compliance.
Yeah. That's great. And who do you see as, you sell a lot of stoves, who do you see as the kind of customer who's going to want something that goes in your flue, makes a noise rather than being silent?
Yeah.
Who would you see as?
It's people that are looking to heat up, not just use the gas heating or electric heating. They're looking to heat up a bigger space, that are using an appliance or a solid fuel appliance or a wood appliance as a main heat source, and looking to get more out of the appliance.
Yeah, great. I mean, that's how we're seeing it. And so that's lovely. Well,
yeah, and again, we talked about it on the canal boats,
yeah.
And then how it stops the condensation, because you're getting that air circulation as well, which is a big bonus really.
Yeah, oh, that's great. Oh well, good luck with the sales. Thanks a lot.